Alright, so we are getting ready to move that stand. We're just taking it down. We're going to be moving it out into the swamp, onto the ridge. Justin has shot a nice deer out of this one time, right? Shot
a big 10.
Shot a big 10 out of here, overlooking a nice hayfield. So we're going to get this down next weekend. We will actually be physically putting it out on the ridge. We're just getting it prepped. Because we're not going to do too much today. But yeah, the process has begun. So we're out here right above the no trespassing sign. We have the trail camera. We had one, a bear went up there and actually bit the camera, so we had to get a new one, which we got there.
This is a Covert WC32V. So it's one of their newer models. It's kind of the bigger one. It is cellular. I got a cord running up here for different, just because there's so little coverage out here. I had to run one up the tree so it can actually connect and send pictures to my phone. But pretty sweet. Comes with a LED, so when you put it to set up, it'll actually show you where the camera is facing and show you the picture that it's going to send. But yeah, it's pretty sweet. So we're going to throw this up there today. We got one farther in. It's the WC30V instead of the 32, so it's a model older, but that one's pretty good too. That one got messed with by a bear also. So,
and at the end of this video, we'll have pictures in there so you can see the quality of the pictures. We love them. Very affordable. How much a month would you say it is?
So it's
per camera.
So you can do different plans. So the plan I do is quarterly. For one camera, it's $20 quarterly. You get 3,500 pictures within that quarter, and so it'll send all of them to your phone. And then say you have bad coverage out here, right? So say you can't afford this. It comes with an antenna that you are able to. It'll store them on the SD card just like a normal camera too. So you can buy one. They're like a $220 camera if you order them offline. If you go other places, sometimes you can get them a little cheaper. So they're a super good camera. I love them. So if you can't afford the monthly or the yearly or the quarterly, you can use them as a normal. So, and you can deactivate it at any time. So if say you only want to use it during deer season for those few months, you can then deactivate it and it will stop charging you, and then you can reactivate it when you want it to start working again.
That's a heck of a setup. And then we have the way up there, you can follow the cord and you actually can see the setup up there to help get better cell service. We love them. Great pictures, and like I said, we'll be providing pictures that'll be following the video. That way you can see the quality of the pictures. So stay tuned. Alright guys, we're out here in my location at our Covert Wireless WC30V. Too many numbers and letters going on for one model. But we're super excited. We had to reposition it. Something did monkey with it. It's supposed to be angled how it is looking at this trail. It got moved and was looking over there, which kind of benefited us. We had a really nice buck on camera over here. And we will have the pictures at the end of the video, like I said, just so you can see the quality. Tree marking the tree that we're putting a stand in. Been a busy summer. We are not archery hunting, just getting ready for the shotgun zone season here. Nice thick coverage. Got water source on each side. Food source close by. Should be a great year. Starting to get deer movement quite a bit. And we can hopefully do what we did last year, where we bagged 2 bucks, one on opening day and one on the last day. And we will go from there. So glad for all the follows and the likes on our videos, and we'll keep them coming. So on to the next one.